Welcome back to my channel. My name is Charmaine and I'm going to be using a palette that I got from my April Tribe Beauty Box. So the Tribe Beauty Box is a bi-monthly subscription, so you get it every other month. So this is from my April box. I have a June one coming, so we'll see what's in that one. This is what this one's looking like. This kind of gives me like a Valentine's vibes, and I kind of feel like, I can't remember the last palette I got, but I feel like it was also pinks and reds, but I don't remember. So I want to do something a little bit different that was kind of inspired by a video I saw on Instagram, but I can't find the video, so I'm just going to kind of basically try to do it off memory and see if I can somewhat accomplish the look. So we're going to be going with, I'm going to dip into this deeper color, which is called Passion first. And I'm using this flat eyeshadow brush because I want to make this precise. So let me pull my mirror a little bit closer. Okay, so I'm just going to press it along the edge and build up this color, kind of like if I was doing eyeliner. And then I'm going to bring it this way. Okay. And I just want to do that on both sides before I move on. And I do have tape on to help me like stay very precise, but you know how it is if you don't put the tape on like exactly right on both eyes. So I'm closing my lid so that I can bring that out a little bit more. Okay. And so what they did was they took a deeper shade on the outer edge to kind of create this line. And then what they did was they took another shade, which was a little bit lighter. So let me grab this brush and I'm going to take, because I want to ombre it so that it gets a little bit lighter as it goes in. So we're going to take this color All Mine and we're just going to kind of fill this in here and like blend them in. And I might have to go back and with Passion to create that depth back in there on the outer edge. But for now, we'll just fill in our little triangle here. I'm gonna have to try to find the video and get a screenshot and see if I can kind of put it up on the screen here, so that way you can kind of see where the inspiration came from. And I believe that in that video they actually used the color blue. It was in one of my recommended, so like when I go to the recommended page or the recommended tab, it was in there. So now I'm going to take the color Hugs, which is this more cranberry shade. It does have a little bit of sparkle in there. Okay. And then let's go back to Passion, which was the deeper color here. And I'm kind of brushing Passion a little bit forward in like the corner piece here to I'll blend those two in together. Take all mine. Okay, kind of like looks like cat ears popping out of my eyes. All right, now what they did was, trying to remember, they took like a, I need like a beige color or like a soft, maybe I'll take this color. So I have my Riviera palette on my desk still. So I'm gonna take this, and the color I need from here is this color, Estate. It's like a soft beigey color, and I'm just gonna pat it here on the inner corner. So this space they left like unfilled and open. If I'm remembering, I feel like I'm probably not remembering this correctly, but I gotta find it and see. Okay, so I'm just kind of bringing this a little bit forward. Okay, and then I'm gonna get a little blending brush. So this one here, and I'm going to try to blend in. So I just dipped into All Mine and Hugs, which were the last two lighter shades up here, and make sure that that blends in with that beigey color that I have. And I still intend to do like my eyeliner. Okay, let's deepen up this outer. Okay, and then that's all they did. And now I need to do my eyeliner. So I'll do my eyeliner, and then I'm going to do the rest of my face, and I'll come back so that way we can finish off the look, which was, they just added like an inner corner here. So I'm just gonna add an inner corner color and then call it a day. So let's go ahead and see how this look turns out. Be right back. All right, so I'm back. I went ahead, did my lips, and for my lips, I used this Perfect Precision LA Girl lip liner in the color Vamp, which the color kind of matched this outer shade that I used here. For the inner portion of my lid, I used the ColourPop Lippy Stick in like Magic. And then over top, I used this Shine Essence lip gloss, and this is the color 01 Behind the Scenes. My lower lash line, so far I just put this color Passion very close to my waterline, and then I used this mascara, which is the Wet n Wild Black Skinny Mascara. Now I need to do my inner corner. So for my inner corner, I want to do a pink color. I'm really nervous actually about doing my inner corner because I don't want to mess up the look, but I do want to add some pink. So I'm thinking of adding a shimmer shade here. So it's either going to be, I think, this one, which is Soulmate. I'll swatch them for you. Or we have Be True, which is this bright pink. And then we have True Love. See, this does seem kind of like Valentine's Daisy with these names. Okay, so these are shimmer shades. This is what they look like. I think I want to use this color here on my inner corner, which was the Soulmate color. So let's hope this goes well. I'm gonna kind of get this brush a little bit damp. And then I'm gonna pick up this shade here. I don't know if it's picking up. Then I'll just spray a little bit my Mario Badescu on here to get the brush a little bit wetter. And let's hope for the best. I don't see that this color is picking up on here, but okay, it's picking up. So normally I would just try to put a smaller little dot, but I'm just kind of taking it a little bit wider just because of this blank space. So I'm going to add the color here. And I'm just building it up. Okay, like that. And that is basically the look. Again, I'll see if I can find the Instagram video or like a picture that I found for inspiration for this look, so that way I can kind of post it and see if it was a hit or miss for me, because I saw it once. I don't know if I saved it, and then I was like, ooh, that's really nice. So then I just wanted to do these colors, and this is how it came out. I still like the way the look came out, so I think I might try it again so that way I can kind of perfect the look. So let me know what you think down in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. And again, this is the Sweetheart palette that I got in my Tribe Beauty box. This is by Lurella. Thanks for watching.